whisper in the dark, a silent hiss, the haunting call of the abyss. Eyes aglow, a cosmic spark, a feline phantom in the dark.
It prowls the edge of the great unknown, around where stars and shadows groan. Each step it takes, the silence breaks. A hunter bound by no mistake. Musing of the abyss where the void calls, a purr that echoes through eternal halls. A gaze that pierces the fabric of time, a predator born of the infinite rhyme. Through the veil of night it finds its prey, the keeper of secrets, the guide astray. Its claws are whispers, its fangs are fate, a guardian lurking at creation's gate. Musing of the abyss where the void calls, a purr that echoes through eternal halls. A gaze that pierces the fabric of time, a predator born of the infinite rhyme. Musing of the abyss where the void calls, a purr that echoes through eternal halls. A gaze that pierces the fabric of time, a predator born of the infinite rhyme. From the cradle of stars to the end of days, it weaves through the darkness, its endless maze. Its voice is a hymn, its shadow a prayer, a song of the void, a call to beware. The abyss stares back, its hunger untamed. The feline muse both walled and framed. Musing of the abyss where the void calls, a purr that echoes through eternal halls. A gaze that pierces the fabric of time, a predator born of the infinite rhyme. Through the silence it creeps unseen, eyes of amber glowing serene. A shadowed muse, a whisper's hiss, forever bound to the abyss.